Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud or Spotify, it's the same process. Or in your browser, you need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Now check, and also you can check for updates for this application, so you need to go to the App Store or Play Store and check it and update if you haven't the last version. It can fix this problem also. Next step, we need to check for updates for your earbuds. So you need to open Vivo Earphones application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds here. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we have Earphones firmware upgrade. Firmware is the same as software, so tap at this line, you check for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, you will see right here button download and install, and you tap at this button. Now, if it also didn't help you, or you haven't new software version, I recommend it to firstly restart your device. So I use this earbuds with a phone, and I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, the last one I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then press and hold at the both of touch areas on your earbuds, what located at the back side of each earbud. But before press and hold, I recommended to close the charging case, then open it, and now press and hold at the touch areas until the LED lights start blinking orange. Now, if after 5 seconds this LED light not blinking white, it means that you're doing something wrong, and you need to repeat this process. Now we have the orange LED light, so we can release fingers, and firstly we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So go to the settings, then connected devices or Bluetooth, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget device. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device, but not all Android phones have this button, so you may have it. You need to only reopen Bluetooth or turn off and turn on it. But I need to click on it, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you tap at your earbuds here in the device list and then click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!